Endonuclease IV is a critical DNA repair enzyme involved in the base excision repair pathway. Its primary role is to identify and cleave apurinic/apyrimidinic AP sites in DNA where a base is missing. By hydrolyzing the phosphodiester bond near the AP site, it creates a hydroxyl group at the 3' terminus. Besides this main function, endonuclease IV also displays 3' exonuclease activity for removing blocking groups and nucleotides, as well as 3-diesterase activity to release damaged DNA ends. Structurally, it belongs to the TIM-barrel superfamily and operates without the need for Mg2+, remaining fully active in the presence of EDTA. Widely utilized in research, this enzyme aids in understanding DNA damage and repair mechanisms, making it a valuable tool for studies in single-cell electrophoresis and beyond.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world. For superior biology services since 2000.